crew's on the way. A tow is there, but the MTO is heading that way as well. Flow from Ford Drive to the Ford plant before Royal Winters, where this crash is. And that westbound 403 ramp to the QAW is backing up. In fact, it's slow on this route from Dundas onto the QAW ramp. Heading into Hamilton, we had a westbound 403 problem west of York clear, so volume is clearing up there as well. There are new problems on the westbound 401. That we have some problems south of Pearson in the Express. The right lane is blocked, not far before the Express to collector transfer on your way towards Dixie. Backing up from west to the 427, to south of Pearson. And it does look like we have a transport and a car involved in this crash. On the eastbound 401, minor delay through Dixon Road, with the right lane blocked with a collision there. The Baton Winter clearance sale is here at sale. Get up to 70% off a wide selection of products just in time for your winter adventures. Get ready for the best deals at sale. Next report at 1:31 with the forecast. Here's Jill Taylor.
Mainly rain and wind for most areas now. Little paper to showers that rain through the afternoon into the evening. Guaranteed high 8 degrees this evening. Very strong wind, especially for tonight out of the west-southwest. Tomorrow, chance of flurries. Morning high near 8 degrees and then 2 for the late afternoon. For the weekend, lots of sunshine. 3 degrees Saturday up to 6 on Sunday. For today, our guaranteed high this evening, +8.
Well, right now in downtown, we've still got lots of light rain and 3 degrees. It is raining in 3 as well at Pearson.
A third homicide victim has been discovered downtown tonight.
You never know who is watching you or what they are capable of.
In the city of Las Vegas, this guy wasn't just stabbed and frozen, he was also poisoned. The dead can't speak the truth,
Penetrating trauma at a consistent death in both victims.
but the science doesn't lie.
This poor girl knew she was gonna die, and she was smart enough to leave the clue. Can't let it go to waste.
CSI Vegas, all new tonight at 10 on Global. Also available on Stank TV.
So we all have our favorite spots to say, go watch a game. But as we hear from our Jeff Verholman this afternoon, a new restaurant coming to Toronto could be the place to watch the Raptors.
Yeah, the NBA announcing this morning the first NBA courtside restaurant, and it's coming to Toronto. Now, what does that mean? Well, quote, a premium sports-inspired dining experience celebrating the NBA. So, like memorabilia all over the place, NBA-inspired art and decor. It'll be 10,000 square feet right at Queens Quay and Yonge. The chef, one Top Chef Canada. Plus, there's going to be a store with official NBA merch and some stuff exclusive to the restaurant, including art from some local artists. No exact opening date, just spring 2023. Jeff Verholman, City News.
And turns out it was on this day almost 60 years ago that Ed Sullivan made this historic announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Beatles.
Just a little loud. The Beatles made their U.S. debut on the Ed Sullivan Show on this day back in 1964 in front of a television audience of almost 70 million people. The band performed 5 songs that night, and it turns out there were more than 50,000 requests for the 725 seats in the theater at the time. Well, we know a little bit more today about the leak in the Keystone Pipeline last year. Chris McCusker with the details 60 seconds from now.
City News Time, 1:25.
This portion of the news is brought to you by TMS Clinics of Canada.
Did you know 1 in 5 Canadians struggle with their mental health? We all deserve to live, laugh, and love life. I'm Dr. Leo Steiner. I've been treating mental health patients for over 30 years, and I'm really excited to tell you about a recent breakthrough in science called TMS. TMS stimulates the brain to help lift that heavy cloud of sadness without medication. To find out if it's right for you, I'd like to offer you a free consultation. Visit tmsofcanada.com. That's tmsofcanada.com. Until February 12th, add a little something special to your day when you pick up a Tim's espresso beverage for only $2. That's any size hot or iced latte, cappuccino, or Americano. Handcrafted just the way you like it. At participating Tim Hortons restaurants.
City News Time, 1:26.
Time now for the business reports, and let's go to the business center now and check in with Chris McCusker. Where, Chris, you're getting some more information about a leak in the Keystone Pipeline last year.
Yeah, that's right. So $480 million U.S., that is the price tag, Steve, estimated by TC Energy for the cleanup and remediation of December's oil spill from its Keystone Pipeline. So the pipeline saw its worst spill in history on December 7th when the oil leaked into a creek in Kansas. This is the first time we've heard a price tag on this spill. The company also says it looks like the spill was due to a combination of factors, Hershey on Bay Street down by about 0.5%. The TSX still in the red. Now there has been a fair bit of fluctuation today. Right now down 17 points, 20,662. A weight coming from the gold sector with gold futures down $11, 18.79. And then oil could snap a 3-day winning streak. It's down by 64 cents to 77.84. Now, shares in Shopify providing an offset. That stock right now up by about 1%. Year to date now is higher by 44%. The Ottawa-based e-commerce company has unveiled more than 100 new product updates that include several aimed at helping retailers reach more customers, make checkout easier, and better manage shipping. The Canadian dollar right now unchanged, 74.37 cents U.S. Now, in the U.S., we also know a little more today about rules at Netflix for password sharing, and the changes do affect Canada. Members on the Standard or Premium Plus plan can add an extra member to their account for up to 2 people they don't live with for $7.99. Now, for years, Netflix has basically allowed the sharing of passwords. Some saying today the streaming service maybe didn't go as far as expected. Stock in Netflix higher by about 0.5%. Now, Wall Street in the red as well on recession signals coming from the bond market. The Dow is down 62, the S&P down 9, the Nasdaq down 4. At the Business Center, I'm Chris McCusker.
Business is brought to you by Scotia iTrade.
Scotia iTrade is the stuff investors' dreams are made of. It's got everything you need to direct invest in one place. With a new mobile app offering quick access to real-time market research, personalized alerts, and more, you'll never snooze and lose on a market movement again. And for a limited time, get up to $2,000 and $6.99 stock and ETF pricing. For full terms and conditions, visit ScotiaITrade.com. Scotia iTrade, it's every investor's dream. Kalani Kitchen and Bath, how can I help you?
I'm looking for a Reabuild touchless kitchen faucet in brushed gold. Do you have it in stock?
Yes, we actually have all the gold full sets in stock.
Even the Reabuild shower kit with matching faucet?
Yep, we've got that too.
Thanks. And by the way, why is the sign at your Barrie location upside down?
Well, we just wanted to see if you were paying attention. Kalani Kitchen and Bath. Visit kalani.ca for your nearest location.
Right now in downtown Toronto, we got some light rain and 3 degrees. James Mackin is the Midday Show editor. Zahir Hashimi is over at the digital desk and City News Time at the Double Tongs. 1:30.
Toronto's #1 for breaking news, traffic, and weather. This is City News 680 everywhere.
Good afternoon. This is Thursday, February 9th. I'm Irene Cresslett.
And I'm Steve Roberts. Here's what's making news right now.
So the Raptors have made it official. They've acquired Jakob Poeltl from the San Antonio Spurs, but is something else coming down before the trade deadline hits at 3 this afternoon?
New allegations that the Ford government interfered in Metrolink's communications about tree removal to accommodate Ontario Line construction.
There's another push from Conservatives to reform Canada's bail system and make it tougher for repeat offenders. They put forward a private member's bill as the feds engage with provinces about potential changes.
One of the most prolific songwriters of the modern era, Burt Bacharach, has died at the age of 94.
We've got losses on Bay and Wall Street after a winning start to the day, and Affirm is the latest tech company to announce layoffs. Business at 56.
City News Time, 1:31.
Time for traffic and weather together. Here's Kyle Hawkins.
And this report brought to you by Northwood Mortgage. The rain is causing for a slower drive than you might expect in the midday. Plus, we have some problems. If you're traveling the southbound 427, a little bit of a change at this issue just before the 407. We have the HOV and left lane now blocked off. There's a vehicle that appeared to have just spun on its own and hit the center barriers. So tows, OPP, MTO, everybody's here. A little volume on the south 427, just approaching the 407, going past that lane restriction. But things are pretty well eased off now. South of the 401, we did have a problem at Rathburn that cleared. Northbound 427, still a little busy from Dundas up towards the 401 and the Express. And then we've got a problem on the westbound 401. It's right just south of Pearson in the Express. Before the transfer into the collectors approaching Dixie, right lane is blocked due to a crash involving a transport and a car. Now we have delays from the 427 in the Express now to south of Pearson. It's about halfway to Dixie where this problem is. You'll find the eastbound 401 in pretty good shape. We have a minor issue east of Dixon. The right lane is blocked with a collision. There's a bit of volume in this area from Dixon towards the 400, mainly in the express lanes. The northbound DBP volume from approaching Eglinton up towards York Mills, and it's slow on the westbound Gardner from Spadina to Parkside. There was also an issue on the westbound QEW. In fact, there still is at the Ford plant. The right lane is blocked. Now we're affected with debris from a crash that was moved off to the shoulder, so most traffic's not using that right lane. The two vehicles involved in this crash itself are off on the shoulder. It's slow from Ford Drive to the Ford plant, and the westbound 403 is heavy from Dundas onto the QEW ramp. The specialists at Northwood understand complicated markets like the one we're in, and they'll work hard to find a custom solution that works for you. Visit northwoodmortgage.com, license 10349. Next reported 141 with the forecast. Here's Jill Taylor.
Rain at times heavy will taper to some showers this afternoon. A gusty east wind through the day, and then a very strong gusty wind out of the west-southwest tonight. Gusts close to 70 kilometers per hour, but 90 to 100 for areas near Lake Erie. For today, our guaranteed high this evening, +8.
Oh, right now in downtown, light rain continues and a temperature at 3 degrees. City News Time, 1:33.
NBA teams have about an hour and a half to do some last-minute wheeling and dealing as the trade deadline approaches. Some big names already heading to new teams. The Raptors already confirming a big trade.
Now, City's Alex Lucero has been following all the happenings for us and joins us live with details on what exactly, Alex, has happened so far.
Yes, Steve, the Raptors and Spurs have made that deal official. We heard about it first late last night, but Jakob Poeltl is back in Toronto. The Raptors get the center they've been looking for the last couple of years in exchange for a protected first-round pick in 2024, a couple of second-round picks, and Khem Birch. Now, the one name we're really focusing on this afternoon, with the deadline coming up at 3 o'clock, is OG Anunoby. And with Kevin Durant being traded overnight from Brooklyn to Phoenix, there's a number of Western Conference teams specifically that I think might have to make a move in reaction to what the Suns did, talking about teams like Memphis, New Orleans, maybe Golden State.